We have lot of passion. We have lot of abilities. Forget about the society. Everywhere there will be people to criticize you. But if you are really talented, go ahead with that and enjoy. For example, you love to sing. You like songs. Listen to songs, and when you feel like singing, sit in your room and sing aloud. Then maybe when you are getting some opportunities, of course you can go for it. I am a person, I have the real passion towards teaching. So I don't want to retire at all. Even after the age of 60, if I can mingle with few students, maybe even KG children or the play school children, I'll be more than happy. That's what I'm planning to, because I have the real love for kids. And I love to be in the school atmosphere or in the college atmosphere, surrounded by students. That's what makes me happy. Then the next passion is singing. I never got an opportunity to learn classical music and all when I was young. At the age of 45, all on a sudden when I got an opportunity, I decided I'll start learning classical music. I don't know whether you will believe, even now I am a student of classical music. So this is the way we have to go ahead. And everyone cannot be perfect in all respects. But if you love to sing, you sing. If you love to dance, go for it. And I am very happy to see the developments which are happening recently. People are getting lot of exposure, lot of opportunities. That's nice in one way or the other. So the women are with enormous amount of abilities. We are very smart, wonderful, energetic. On this Women's Day, we have to remember we are a rare species. We can do lot of wonders. So come up with all your talents and abilities and try to utilize it for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of your own family, for the betterment of all the citizens of India. We can contribute. Try to go ahead with your integrity. Nobody can prevent us from achieving our goals. And when you are part of such a very famous educational institution, there are a lot of areas where you will be able to bring up the reputation of the institution. Being wonderful teachers, you will be able to inspire lot of students every day, and then you will be able to develop a very big group of wonderful people around you. The teaching profession has its own merits and demerits, but I think when we analyze it, merits are more. We are moving around with a group of energetic people every day, and our energy can be reflected in them. So it's very important that you have to be energetic first. All the teachers. Then it will be passed on to the students. And that gives them great hope in their life. And when we are dealing with adolescent and young group of women, it's very important that we should give them courage. We should make them more enthusiastic, and we should equip them with all the abilities to face all the challenges. For other people. But nowadays you can see that when we move in the society, there are lot of people who are self-sufficient. So it's very important that all the girls and women should be self-sufficient. In order to become self-sufficient, you should have a very good education. You should have a very good occupation also, so that financially also you will be self-sufficient. Along with that, it's very important that you learn driving, because whenever an emergency situation is coming, you may not be able to depend on public transport at that time. So if you can drive your own vehicle, your mobility will be much easier. So these all are different skills which we have to compulsorily attain in our life. Then go ahead. Of course, you have to think about the society too and take all the safety measures. I love driving and I love driving long distances. But I make it a point that during the night time, I don't go out much. If it is a long drive also, I plan in such a way that I will be reaching the destination before 6 o'clock in the evening. It's not because I'm afraid of the people around, but we have our own limitations also. Why should we drag ourselves into some risk? So this kind of analyzing power should be there in us, and then feel free. I know in the Kerala society, even now there are people, women themselves, they may prevent us from doing all these. But if it is not reasonable, just neglect it and go ahead. Because our abilities, we only can assess. And God has given us a lot of blessings. It's our responsibility to utilize it. Then only He will give more and more. So for us, sky is the limit. Nothing is impossible. If God Almighty is there with us, everything is possible. So the women, you have to try your luck in all the areas. Students, when you are coming to the college, all these pretty young women of Naipunya College of Management and Information Technology, I need you to try your talent in all the fields. Whether it is dance, music, mimicry, drama, sports, whatever it is, try to take part in that and make it a habit that wherever opportunities are there, I am going to grab it. Quiz programs, elocution. Even when you are taking seminar in your subjects as part of your academics, you always try to improve your skills. It's an opportunity for you to give a good speech too. So if you continuously try like that, you will be able to come up. Nobody can prevent you. And I'm sure when I saw the brochure of this program, Women's Day, all the activities which are listed, I was so happy that the college is giving an opportunity for their children in all these different areas. So when you are part of such a reputed institution, you are really fortunate. And they are arranging a lot of seminars, symposiums and all. So try to make use of it and try to come up in your life. Everyone need to become a strong woman. A strong woman never accepts failure. You have to be answerable only to your own consciousness. Do what is good. Neglect the people who are criticizing. And some people may not even understand us. So they won't be able to appreciate. Forget about it. If your consciousness says that it's okay, then go ahead and believe in God. Even when the whole world is not with you, if God alone is with you, you will be able to achieve a lot in your life. So try to go ahead like that. And on this Women's Day, I would like to wish all the pretty women who are watching this a very wonderful International Women's Day. Plus, my wish and blessing for the young women of Ananya Women's Club to come up in your life, utilizing your full potential. One day, let the world list out each and every one of you in the most reputed women category. That's what my wish and blessing. And thank you so much once again for giving this wonderful opportunity. Maybe after this pandemic situation, if I get a chance, I would like to come there in person and meet all of you. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much.